Hey, and welcome to 149 Michael Boulevard. I've got an awesome house for you to check out. I actually just went in and took a peek, and I am floored at what it offers. I can't wait for you to check it out. Let's go. So if this red door doesn't give you an indication on what's in the inside, I don't know what's gonna blow you away. Like really, who puts a door like this on the front of the house? It's incredible. Let's go check out the rest. That is jaw-dropping. It's so open concept in here. It's so bright, light, airy. No detail has been overlooked. Look at this kitchen island. I mean, I didn't bring my measuring tape, but it is massive. I'm way down here. And check out the rest of the kitchen. Butcher block countertops, a mosaic backsplash, light flooring that is consistent throughout the whole house, tons of storage, stainless steel appliances, some open shelving, and a full pantry. Just take a minute and check it all out. Breathe it in. Now with this being all open concept, I'm over here adjacent to the kitchen and the dining room. Again, it's bright, it's large, everything is open concept, huge windows throughout. We've got pot lights above, overlooking a really big living room. I mean, this is where you're gonna spend all your time with your family, right? It's a great space. Now, if we head on back, we're going to go to check out the bedrooms. So here's the first of 3 bedrooms that we've got. I believe this is the smallest room. We've got a single closet here, but plenty of space for you to enjoy. Right away, what I really love is the black doors. Who thinks of that, right? They just add such a value to this house, like black here, black here. Now come on in, let's check out the bathroom because it's been fully renovated too. So as you can see, the bathroom is pretty stunning, almost spa-like in here. New vanity, new walls, new floors, new shower, new windows, everything's been done. Again, that black door, oh, I love it. Now, you found the master. It's pretty big in here. We've got a nice big bed, lots of space over here, double closet to my right, pod lights again, fresh, it's neutral throughout. Now back out to the hallway, we've got the 3rd bedroom, which we're gonna go take a peek at. So the 3rd bedroom, again, lots of space, plenty of room, nice and bright. We've got that consistent color on the walls, consistent on the floor, closet here. What more do you need? So coming down to the basement here, we're gonna see that again, it's really nice and big. We've got laminate flooring throughout the whole downstairs, more pot lights. Over here to my right, there's an unfinished space. Now you could make this into a bedroom if you wanted. That would lead you to have 2 bedrooms down here in the basement. So you've got the nice window, plenty of space over here for a closet. You can do with it what you want. All right, now back to the living room. We're gonna take a meander down this way here. where we will come into the laundry room. So down here we've got laundry, the furnace room, the hot water tank, and if it was me, I might put a second kitchen down here. There's lots of room for it, why not, right? So now heading back out, we're gonna go to the other end of the basement. There is a huge bedroom down here. Look at how big this is. You probably could even make it into 2 if you wanted to. Lots of space over here, tons right here, and we even have a 3-piece bathroom off of it as well. So many possibilities down here. You've got that second entrance coming here. I don't know what you want to do with it. Now that we've seen this incredible house, let me recap a couple of the major details here. Everything has been done from top to bottom in this property. New flooring, new windows, new doors, new trim, new pot lights, new paint, new kitchen, new bathroom. I mean, you can't ask for anything more. We've got that side entrance to the basement, huge basement there as well. So there's lots of options. Maybe you've got some family who wants to stay with you down there. We're at 149 Michael Boulevard. I can't wait for you to come check out this property and see for yourself how awesome it is inside.